Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Gemini 8 sign. This is April monthly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Gemini, what are the messages for you and what's going on? Under the deck, 10 of Pentacles and the Devil. You are getting success for your hard work. Material success is coming. Financial stability is coming towards you, Gemini. But sorry guys for the noise. Okay. The Devil. So this person is obsessed with you. Maybe your person is non-committal. This is on and off connection. Maybe this person is toxic for you, Gemini. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn also. So yeah, this person may be toxic for you because 7 of Swords also here. So let's see. You are reading 10 of Swords, the Star, and 6 of Wands, past. So you are in so much pain in this relationship because your person playing games with you, maybe on and off connection, I already told you, but you want to work on yourself. You decided to work on yourself. Then Aquarius, the person involved in this connection could be Aquarius also. So the Star with 6 of Wands. So you're focusing on your work and you are continuously working hard towards your goals, and you are getting success for your hard work, and you are getting recognition for your hard work because 6 of Wands is getting recognition for your hard work. So you want to move on from this pain because 10 of Swords. Still you want to move on. Still you want your person back. Maybe you are stuck on them. You are getting a lot of thoughts regarding your person. Then present 2 of Wands, Queen of Wands, and the Moon. There is something mysterious in this connection. Your person may be hiding something from you. There is no trust between you and your person. You are thinking about them a lot, and this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states, but you overcome this pain and now you stand by your power. Now you are in Queen of Wands energy. So you are okay with or without this person now. You are taking your control back totally, Gemini. So then future, 7 of Swords, the Hierophant, and the Hanged Man. So your person is non-committal because they are sneaky, they are playing games with you, but you are very committed to this connection. Yeah, you are stuck. You don't know which decision you have to make regarding this connection, and because there are a lot of things your person may be hiding from you because toxic, the Devil energy, and 7 of Swords, sneaky. This person may be toxic for you. For some it could be third party situation also involved. So the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, air energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, fire energy, especially Pisces, Aquarius or Capricorn. So let's see your person feelings and actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Under the deck, 7 of Cups. They are always giving you false hope, putting you in some imagination. So they always speaking but not doing. So always speaking but not taking any actions towards you, because action speaks louder than words, but they always saying words but not taking actions. So let's see their feelings first. Gemini, your person feelings towards you. 5 of Swords. Yeah, maybe in past they backstabbed on you. King of Pentacles with the Sun. Maybe now they're realizing that you are their happiness. So King of Pentacles, they want to offer stability to this connection and they are very passionate about you. Those are their feelings. Let's see their actions. They are always speaking, but action wise, let's see their actions. Gemini. Oh, maybe this time they are very serious about you. I think you both are stuck on each other. They are also feeling stuck and they are also undergoing some spiritual awakening. So 7 of Pentacles, 10 of Pentacles and 3 of Pentacles. Maybe they are waiting for the right time, 7 of Pentacles. But this time they really want to work on this relationship because 10 of Pentacles with 3 of Pentacles, they are coming back for reconciliation. But keep in mind, if they are really putting you in third party situation, you know about the third party situation, then there is no point to give another chance. If there is no third party, only small issues, then it is okay. Then it's up to you. But I am telling. So the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Lot of earth energy. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Yeah, maybe this time your person may be realizing you both because 8 of Pentacles with Princess of Cups. Maybe in past they're toxic for you. Maybe they hurt you. Now they realize you both because they are all positive cards here. Because 8 of Pentacles with Queen of Cups, they want to come back with an apology and they really want to work on this relationship because 8 of Pentacles, again it is slow but steady. And the Emperor, so they really want to offer commitment and they want to marry you. Some marriage proposals, Gemini. You are patiently waiting. You want to restore the balance within you, Gemini. You are also undergoing some transformation and there is happiness is coming. I think you are the decision maker in this connection. You want to, they are coming back definitely. So it's up to you to give second chance or not. So it here death. Maybe for some you want to end things with this person. Maybe for some you want to give second chance. It depends because the sun is also here. But you are focusing on yourself. You are balancing things within you, especially you are balancing. Yeah, Magician, I think you both are manifesting each other. One person is manifesting the other person and one person is manifesting communication. There is lots of communication is coming. Lots of communication, 8 of Wands energy. Yeah, they're coming back to work on this relationship. But again, I'm saying it's up to you, Gemini, to give second chance or not. And the person involved in this connection could be Scorpio. So let's see your overall energy for the month, Gemini. Maybe this time they're very serious about you because all positive cards. Maybe they realize you both. Maybe they realize their mistakes. Yeah, you turn your back. Maybe this could be long distance. But some of you waiting for your person to come back. Yeah, there is long term. They're ready to offer this long term commitment. And there is a lot of passionate new beginnings. And you stand by your power and you are creating more money. And you will be successful, Gemini. So let's see your person overall energy. 9 of Swords popped out. Maybe they're missing you. They're thinking about you a lot. So Gemini, your person overall energy for the month. Six of Swords, they want to fix the things between both of you. This time they realize you both, they really love you and they want to express their true feelings to you. And yeah, they want reconciliation. They're coming back for reconciliation and they're thinking about you a lot. A lot of thinking about you. They're missing you. So let's see messages from your person and through the channel, Gemini. Options. Maybe one person in this connection have options. Lot of abundance is coming. Lot of passion. I want to be with you forever. And I'm serious about you. I already told you this line. They are serious about you. And reconciliation. So those who are waiting for reconciliation, yes, it is coming if you give. If you let them in. Because you are the decision maker here. So passion, they are serious about you. Options, maybe you have options and they want to be with you forever and lot of abundance is coming. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck, Gemini. don't let pride get in your way. So if they are coming back, then don't show your ego or pride, because it may be damage your relationship. This is the message, maybe red flag. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.